Imagine you're trying to reach a friend, but you can't remember their number. Frustrating, right? Now, imagine you have a phone system that can store an unlimited number of contacts, making it easy to find the number you need. That's where Ooma comes in. Today, we're going to show you how to add a phone number to your Ooma phone. Whether you're adding a new contact or updating an existing one, this tutorial will have you covered. Ever wondered how those telemarketers get your number? Well, today we're going to show you how to add your own number to your Ooma phone, so you can make calls without revealing your personal number. Before we dive into the tutorial, let's quickly go over some basics. Ooma is a VoIP voice over Internet Protocol phone system. This means it uses your internet connection to make and receive calls, instead of relying on traditional phone lines. One of the great things about Ooma is its flexibility. You can add multiple phone numbers to your account, each with its own unique features and settings. Tutorial: Adding a phone number. Log in to your Ooma account. Open your web browser and go to Ooma website. Enter your login credentials and click Sign In. Navigate to the Numbers tab. Once logged in, you should see a dashboard. Look for the Numbers tab and click on it. Click Add a Number. On the Numbers page, you'll see a list of your existing phone numbers. Click on the Add a Number button. Choose a number type. You'll be presented with a few options for the type of number you want to add. These might include regular phone number, a standard phone number that you can use for both incoming and outgoing calls. Toll-free number, a number that callers can dial without being charged. Vanity number, a memorable phone number that includes words or letters. Select a number. Ooma will provide you with a list of available numbers based on your chosen type. You can search for specific area codes or prefixes if you have a preference. Choose a plan. Once you've selected a number, you'll need to choose a plan. The plan will determine the features and pricing associated with your new number. Provide billing information. Enter your billing information to complete the purchase. Confirm your order. Review your order details and click Confirm to finalize the purchase. Wait for activation. It may take a few minutes for your new number to be activated. Once activated, you'll be able to use it immediately. Porting an existing number. If you already have a phone number with another provider, you can port it to Ooma. This process typically involves contacting your current provider and providing them with your Ooma account information. Managing multiple numbers. If you have multiple Ooma phone numbers, you can easily manage them from your account dashboard. You can assign different features and settings to each number, such as call forwarding, voicemail, and caller ID. And that's it. You've successfully added a phone number to your Ooma account. With Ooma, you can easily manage your phone numbers and customize your calling experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.